Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermark on media.io. So go to the AI tools section here and go to watermark remover. And I'm just going to select it. Then you can either upload or try one of these. I'm just going to try a video from what they have. I'm just going to select this one. Then I'm going to select, oops, that's too much. I'll just deselect that. You're going to take a brush and you're going to select just the watermark bit. Then you're going to select remove objects now. And hopefully it will be removed. But that is pretty much how you can remove watermark without blur. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I know it's gonna work, it's just gonna take a long time, but here, thank you so much for watching. Bye.